Hey, what's up? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another Get Ready With Me.
Look at them. Look at you.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another Get Ready With Me. Y'all already know what this means. We are getting ready to go out. So, if y'all been watching the last couple of videos, y'all know in my last vlog, I kind of touched on my last date and how that was a fail. And then the Get Ready With Me, before the last vlog, I was getting ready to go out with the person that I am no longer going out with anymore. But anyway, okay, so I am going out. I'm not calling this a date. This will be a meet and greet. So I'm going to meet up with this person for sushi and a drink. It is 1:14. We said we was gonna meet up at 5, so I'm getting ready early. I know y'all probably like, why you getting ready early? But look at my nails, y'all. I've been going through hell trying to get these nails off. I didn't hurt myself in the process, so I need to get my nails done. I can't show up like this. So I'm gonna get ready now, go to the nail shop. I'm gonna just head over to the restaurant to meet him. So that's kind of what we're doing. I literally just started talking to this man, I think Friday. We exchanged numbers Saturday. He wanted to see me yesterday, but I was like, nah, you know, maybe tomorrow, which is today. So we talked briefly or whatever. But y'all, so I met him on a dating site. I think I told y'all my dating journey has been going south because I've been meeting people on these dating apps or whatever. So wait, let me tell y'all, is this a red flag already? So I'm talking to him and I don't know, somehow we got on age or whatever. And he was like, oh, so do you date older men? And I'm like, yeah, I date older men. I was like, 50 is my limit. But I was like, I don't have a problem with older men or whatever. And he was like, oh, well, you have a problem with me? I'm 52. I said, sir, your profile says you're 47. So we lying already? He don't look 52. But baby, why you put your real age? So I'm gonna make sure I ask him that. Like, why would you put that you're 47 and you're really 52? What's up with that? Why are we lying? Like, come on now. Ooh, these eyebrows are thick. Hold on, let me delete some footage. I got 4 minutes, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, so I have no clue what I'm wearing. Like I said, he asked me out yesterday. I didn't think he was really gonna call me today and ask if I wanted to go out today. Y'all know I'm going in with the Morphe brow pencil. I think this is the micro brow pencil. It's nice out today. The outfit I wanted to wear, I don't think it's like given. I looked at the setting of the place, so the outfit I wanted to wear was like a baseball cap, a cute bodysuit, and some jeans, but I don't think I should wear a hat, so I'm not gonna wear a hat. So I'm trying to figure out what the hell I'm gonna wear. Low-key, y'all, I really hate doing stuff on Sundays. Sundays is like my chill day. Sundays, I like to cook. I like to wash, clean, do my daughter hair. But luckily, yesterday I did all that. I cooked. So we have leftovers. I made jerk chicken pasta. I was able to wash her clothes, my clothes. I was able to iron most of her clothes for the school week. I just got a few more outfits. And yeah, so, and I just did her hair, so I'm kind of set. I know on my last vlog I was chatting with a couple of ladies in the comment section, and we were just saying, like, with dating nowadays, unfortunately, you got to take it for what it is. Like, get the meal, get the drink, and just leave it at that. If they want to waste their time and their money, that's okay with me, because I ain't got nothing but time. Since, you know, I got some free time today, I'ma just go with the flow. Go ahead and get my meal and call it a day. I don't expect anything more from this person. I don't expect to hear from him again after this date, which is crazy that I gotta say that, but it is what it is. So, hey, it's cool. So a little background on this dude. He says he was married twice. He said he was married when he was young, when he was 21. He says he had 4 kids. They're all adults. I think 2 maybe in their 20s and then 2 are in their 30s. He said that, so his first set of 4 is from his first marriage. He said he was married the second time. They don't have kids together. And I think he said that marriage was short, probably about 3 years. 3 years or so. I don't know. Something like that. So he said he's divorced. He worked. Of course you gotta work. That's the background. I always say, different dude, same story. They swear the girl did them wrong. I be like, it's 2 sides to each story, but every guy want to act like they the princess. Like, I did nothing wrong. I don't cheat. I don't lie. Nigga, you lying right now. You lied about your age. So, I know you lying about your previous relationship. But, your girl love a good story. I just let these men talk and lie. And I just be listening like, taking notes. Like, okay. Let me play some music for y'all. Because I want to listen to some music. Why I like this song? She was a fairy. Concealer, LA Pro Girl. For those who may be new here, just putting it all over my lid. Clean my brows with it too. I am simple with my makeup, y'all. I do the same routine over and over. I am going to go makeup shopping soon. I'm gonna try a new makeup routine, so once I get that together, I'm gonna share it with y'all. I do need like some new makeup palettes. I be using my same old makeup palettes. I'm going in with the, oh, the words are gone. I think this is the Neutral Territory 9T palette from Morphe. This color is gone. I think it broke, or maybe I did hit the pan. It's like my little favorite color, but I'm gonna get some of that so I can put it all over my lid. I think I got something in mind. I think I'm gonna wear these jeans I got from Fashion Nova. I got this new light pink bodysuit, and I'm thinking maybe like my pink Gucci bag, and I got like these neutral tone sandals, so probably something like that. Let's do a little shimmer. Yeah, I don't even know if I want to do black eyeliner today. I don't know once I'm done, but so yeah, I just went in with 2 colors, y'all. So this color I hit the pan on. I think this is called Promise. And then I went in with this color right here. And this is called Bear Play. So just 2 colors. So I'm gonna put these lashes on. I wore these before. I think those are like some Dollar Tree LA lashes, LA girl lashes probably. I love this glue. I use the Duo glue. This lasts pretty long. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself, and I appreciate everybody noticing the hard work I've been putting into my videos, and I've been trying to post a little more. I have a very busy schedule, so sometimes it's very hard for me to like post. I just appreciate y'all liking my videos, watching, leaving a comment. I appreciate the new subscribers I have been getting. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. And I just hope y'all stick around. I got a question, y'all. when y'all on a date with somebody and you know you order a drink, when it comes to the second drink, do you ask them like, is it okay if I get a second drink, or do you just order a second drink? I have asked like, is it okay if I get another drink? Some guys do offer like, oh, do you want another drink? And then some, they be like, check please. What have been y'all experience with that? Like, okay, so I got my other lash on. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. Love this stuff.
Whip, body, whip, got it, yeah, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone.
I think I'm gonna go in with my, I said I didn't want to do mattes, but I don't think I had no dewy foundation for real. I do have this MAC foundation. I feel like this make me look a little orange. I don't know. Let's see. I haven't used this foundation in so long. Let's see. What y'all think? Maybe we'll do this little MAC Studio Fits Fluid. I might end up mixing this with something else. I just feel like this make me look orange a little. It's not making me look orange right now. What y'all think? I think it's actually blending good. I don't know. Because when you hit a different lighting, like different lighting make your makeup look different. I think I'm going to mix it still. I'm going to mix it with the matte Poreless. What is this? Maybelline Fit Me.
Ask was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boy.
Y'all, this brush right here is the newest makeup brush to my collection. Oh, I got makeup all on it, but this is the Morphe foundation brush. I don't know what number it is. I don't think it had the number on here. Oh yes it do. M104 foundation. Really good brush. I guess if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild highlighter, y'all. I usually stick to what I know and what I like, but to me, all that shit be looking alike. They just changed the packaging. All the colors be looking alike. They all work the same. Well, most products work the same. So I'm not about to be going out and buying the same crap over and over. So I like this highlighter. This is what I use. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave out early because I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get my nails done, and then I want to get a car wash. So we're gonna do that. I'm thinking like a mauve color lip liner. I got this old lip liner, y'all. It's a Morphe lip liner. I don't even know who this by. I think this was like a collabo. A collaboration, but I don't see her name no more. Oh, sloppy. Sloppy, sloppy. I'm going in with the Fat Oil Nick Gloss, and this is Sprinkle Sprinkle. I know my lips was looking a mess, but you gotta trust the progress, honey. Trust the process. Is it the process or the progress? Alright. See? Don't that look better? At first I know y'all was like, girl, what you got going on with your lips? But you know, the girl knows what she doing. I ain't gonna walk out the house looking like a fool. That's one thing I'm not gonna do. Alright, so the battery about to die. Let me put some setting spray on, and then we're going to head over to my room so I can show y'all my outfit once I figure it out. MAC Fits Me spray. Let me make sure. Okay. Alrighty. That's it. Whew, 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 whew. Let it dry, let it dry. So I'm dressed. This is the outfit. I have this light pink bodysuit on. I don't know. It's coming off white on camera, but it's light pink. It's actually the same color as this Gucci bag. It's like a light pink, like a dusty pink. And I'm gonna wear this. Then I got these jeans on from Fashion Nova, Top Shein, sandals, Target. They match the bag, really cute. So that's the look. I'm about to head out and go get my nails done because I told y'all my nails look a mess. So, because it's like 3 something right now, and I need to get my car wash and all that. I'm gonna wear Burberry Her is the scent for today. I might put this in the car because my travel size is somewhere and I don't feel like going to get it. But that's what I'm wearing, y'all, for my meet and greet. Oh, I hope y'all enjoyed this get ready with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will catch y'all in the next video.